Hello my dear student, today I am going to explain accuracy and precision. Today I am going to explain accuracy and precision. So generally meaning of accuracy and precision are same, but scientifically and in according to physics accuracy and precision are different. ठीक, if your observed value, listen carefully, if observed values are near or lies on true value, then all observed values are called accurate. ठीक है. प्रिसीजन, in the precision, if observed values are close to each other, then they are called precision. Let us understand with figure. Suppose this is a target of bullseye and this is circle. ठीक, suppose this is figure A, again this is bullseye, circle, there are two circle and this is a box. Figure B, another first circle, second circle and the box. ठीक है, this is figure C and again bullseye, circle and this is box D. Suppose there are 5 bullets hit on the bullseye, but in case of figure 1, suppose all the bullet 1 hit there, second one there, third one there, fourth one there, fifth one there. ठीक है, तो in this case suppose all these bullets are act as a observed values, तो all these observed values are very far from each other, or we can say that कि they are scattered. ठीक है, they are scattered and only one value are near the true value and this is the target. So this value is close to target, it means this target is act as a true value. Is that clear? So all these observed values are very far from each other and also their average are not close to the true value. So they figure 1 represent कि all these observed values are not accurate or not precise. It means low accuracy and low precision. Clear? And in the second figure, suppose your observations is such that your all the 5 bullets are very close to each other. ठीक है, there are 5 bullets and all are hit there. So all these observed values are close to each other, but their average are very far from true value. In this case, they are precise but not accurate. Suppose in this figure C, all the target bullets are connected, hit the target like this. In this case, all the observed values are, if we take an average of all these observations, then it is close to the true value, but observed values are very far from each other. They are separated to each other. So that's why low accuracy and high precision. Sorry, it's opposite. accuracy is high, but precision is low, because in the precision the observed values are close to each other. Precision defined as the observed values are close to each other. So all the observed values are separated by each other. That's why low precision but highly accurate. ठीक है. Now suppose all these 5 bullets are hit like this on the bullseye. So in this case, high accuracy and high precision. Figure 1 represent low accuracy and low precision. Figure 2, high precision and low accuracy. Figure C defined कि high accuracy and low precision. ठीक. And figure D explain high accuracy and high precision. Is that clear? So this is the accuracy and precision. Thank you.